Meet Sarah Thompson, a talented data analyst at one of the country's largest corporations. Every day, she uncovers hidden patterns buried deep within vast amounts of data.
Every second, thousands of data points flow into this system. Sales, transactions, customer behavior, all moving in real time. Most people see numbers, but I see a story waiting to be uncovered. It started with a single, tiny anomaly, a recurring invoices. To anyone else, it was just a rounding error, but to me, it was a footprint. So I started digging deeper, connecting every transaction, every supplier, every invoice. I was looking for a pattern, something invisible at first glance.
Sarah follows the trail straight to the top. Behind the glass walls, Marcus watches the numbers flow. One look tells her everything. He knows she's getting close, and now he's watching her too. Marcus is deleting the evidence. 80%, 90. Sarah races against time, digging through millions of records. One mistake, 1 second too late, and the truth disappears forever.
At the very last second, Sarah strikes. The system locks down. Evidence secured. Marcus's cover-up fails. After hours of relentless pursuit, the truth is finally safe, and the fraud is exposed. The investigation is concluded, and the company is secured. Sarah's persistence saves the day. As leadership thanks her personally, one thing is clear: the truth always leaves a trail.
Behind every successful company, there are heroes no one sees. Sarah's sharp instincts, courage, and determination protected thousands of jobs.
Always follow the data.